Welcome back to Rocket Don't Stock It. Today we're going to look at the Asics Gel Saga. Alright, so we'll go over the details of the Gel Sagas and then we'll move on to the on foot video after this. So this is one of Asics' most classic silhouettes and we haven't seen it back in a long while. So we'll start with the upper. The upper's got a mixture of this luxe suede. It feels sort of like the same felt you see on the Air Skyline 2s that came back. It's a very similar build. So we've got this sort of nylon toe box here. Then we've got this luxe suede, is what they call it, worked around. Leather striping on the Asics stripes. Neon Gel Saga on the heel. Leather on the heel tab area in that neon colour. The Asics logo. Then we've got half leather, half of that nylon mesh sort of material on the tongue with the Asics branding there. White laces, and we've got this turquoise sort of dark green worked in the shoe there just behind the striping. White midsole. Then we've got the pink highlights in the forefoot of the outsole, and the rest is like sort of off-white cream sort of colour, giving it that retro feel. So yeah, that same sort of felt is worked all the way around the shoe on the mud guard and all that good stuff. This is, of all the colourways that have returned for this shoe, I think this is the best one. It gives me some Miami Dolphin vibes. I think retail price was £100 and they do fit true to size, so just go with your usual sizing. I went for my usual UK 8 and they fit just fine. So we haven't seen Asics come out with any big Saga releases in a long time. It's I think 2012 when Foot Patrol did the Saga 2s in that Soho pair, where it was that yellowy colour with the dark blue highlights, and then we saw the most recent Gel Saga by Foot Patrol. It was this classic model with some anime Gundam inspiration. The special box was actually sick. Like the special box on that Foot Patrol pair was crazy. But there was only so many about, so I didn't pick those up. I think I'll pick up the special box if I ever come across it for a good price. But these are sick. I'll have an on foot video coming after this. On foot pictures will be on my Instagram at Rocket Don't Stock It. Give it a follow if you haven't already, and be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
My life,